Alright, welcome traders. Patrick from Trading123. Here we are in a live trade on the ES. Looking for it to sell down here. 45.12 is the first support. So let's see which way this goes. Let's see if we can get $500 profit out of this. Big gap up. Market should come down here to this 45.10 area. So we just hit some profit. We'll move this one up here and then get the 3 out next. If we don't bounce. So 45.12 be our next target. This is a 3-minute chart. It's taking its time. So we should hit that 45.12. Come on. Ah. And there we go. Let's go. So we took the 45.12 out. Now I think the selling will accelerate a little. And go down to our next target. Move our stop to here. Maybe 45.11. Don't want to get too greedy here. And there we are. We're out. 45.11 just got out. Nice profit there on the ES short and a big gap up. Came down here to the lows, bounced up to the high, and everyone's made their money, and now it's selling off here. So you buy above the pivot, short below it, missed this short here, caught this one here, and down we go. We're done. Made a nice profit on that trade. Loaded the boat on 5 contracts. And you see this 45.11.12 was support from this area over here. So you always identify your support and resistance levels. And basically, that's right where we went to. These long wicks are overshoots, so you don't really pay too much attention to them. So actually, right in this area, 45.12 and 45.11 were support levels, and we could get a bounce from up here. So that's the trade of the day with the Trading 123 Fib indicator. Go to our website for more information. Thanks for watching.